naïve here, here's another great combination exercise for that lower body. Keeping those abdominals tucked in, shoulders over hips, feet are hip distance apart. Go ahead, lower down into a squat, take one foot back into a lunge. Coming back into that squat, as you come out of it, lengthen through that leg, into that outer thigh. Back into the squat, lunge, come center, outer thigh lift. Squat, lunge, center, outer thigh lift. Squat, lunge, center, outer thigh. Really make sure you reach that back leg as far back as you can to make sure that front knee is right over that ankle. And then try the other side. Squat to that lunge, chest up, and lift. Squat, lunge, center, and lift. Squat, lunge, center, flex and lift, squeeze that outer thigh, center, and lift. Go ahead, try it out on your own and see what happens with that lower body. Enjoy.